Hey, hi, welcome here. My name is Adarsh Patil. Welcome to the LearnLogic channel. In this channel, until now, we have covered definition of science, chemistry. We have also discussed the atom, element, and molecule, their definitions, their structure, and in this video, we are going to see the parameters regarding to atomic number and atomic mass number. Let's move towards the first point, that is atomic number. Think of the atomic number as an element's ID. It tells you how many protons are there in the nucleus of an atom of that element. Each element has its own unique atomic number. For example, hydrogen has an atomic number equals to 1, and because of it has 1 proton, and oxygen has an atomic number of 8 because it has 8 protons. Similarly, you can comment down what is the atomic number of the figure you are seeing on the left hand side. Let's move towards the second point. It is atomic mass number. This is like the atom's weight. It is the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. The reason why the atomic mass number is included protons and neutrons is the electrons are too light to be counted in this number. For the approximate figures of what is the atomic number and what is charge on them, you can see the previous videos, or you can see in the end of this video. For example, carbon has an atomic mass number of 12 because it has 6 protons in it and 6 neutrons in it. Similarly, you can comment down what is the atomic mass number of the figure of element that you are seeing on the left hand side. That's all for this video. Thank you. Jai Hind. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Happy learning.